beg you, please, just please answer my prayer. Just please make the farm work something to come true, God. But this is a really need you. This is a really need you, God. Because right now, they are so hungry and sick out and nobody feel me, God. Please, me, I beg you, just make this come true for me, God. Just make this work for me, God. I hear me put my trust in her, God. And I know say you're going to come true for me. Father God, may I pray for my sister too, you know. May I pray for my sister too, because I don't like the way him go on with Feeman. Or Feeman I deal with him, God. May I pray for change him from his foolish ways, God. Make him have little sense, God. I don't know if in-laws some screw or something, God. But in fact, God, I don't want to go too deep into that still, you know. But I want to just show me a sign, God. Show me who care about me, God, and who rate me. You see what I say? Show me a sign, God. I know you're going to answer my prayer, God. You me believe in her, you me trust in her. You see it? And you said before one of your word pass, heaven and earth pass, God. More show me a sign. Show me a sign, Father God. Watch your sis, what go on? Are you just there I pray for you now?
Master, you love that tree, yeah? Oh, God.
What else me for there?
Every day you come
Come here, go on like say you're afraid of me, what go on?
Nothing. So yeah, pray about me, so now.
No, sis, you know, life set upside down and sometimes, so I say so. Today I say pray for you for your life change to you, see it?
When my life change? Some warm to my life.
Well, you don't need to go into that right now. But I just give God thanks for life, you see it?
Yeah, man, we have to give God thanks for life.
You see it?
Man. Yeah,
say alright though, you're good.
Yeah, man, just come off my work.
You can see it, man, you can see it. You look tired though.
Yeah, man. Go pick a man, let me
Oh. You can come up.
One man, go on.
Because you're a town boy from when you're here.
So yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? Boy, I see it's from Pop's dead. If I know you see him again. Again, you see it? I know me there, I don't feel well more money for buy Panadol and something.
Boy, my brother, you know, things set one way. I'm not happy right now, you know, but I feel you can check me later. I go talk to Skinny and see if he can give me one little money, you know, and see if I can get you a little pill, because I have no money for me right now, you know. So, brother, I just little coffee have, you know. You can get little leaf of life and boil up, you know what I say? And everything you have to run to doctor for medicines for, you know, because, you know, we have natural herbs, you know. That work better, you know.
Sis, that not... What you mean by little leaf of life? I mean, they are cough out one of my chest.
A little cough, man.
So, when you can see if you borrow it from Skinny.
So, now that I just tell you, man, I've got a Skinny, you know Skinny tan.
So, everything you have to ask Skinny? Look like a Skinny around your head or something.
Easy yourself, man. You know me have to run it by the boss.
So, you going to make your one brother dead and dead?
No, bro. Me have to ask Skinny, man. No worry yourself.
Sister, hold on. Furthermore, seeing today it's supposed to to be your payday. Today Friday, you know?
Me tell you, man, me tell you a thing. You know what? Me soon link you.
You know, say me not like your style though. Today Friday, you know, sis. Today Friday.
Me you know, man, but me tell you.
You go make me dead, sister.
No,
you
man,
go make me dead.
Me have to run it by the boss. I say, no, you know what thing set, man.
So Skinny, I feel your boss, a Skinny around your head. Everything is Skinny.
No, bro.
You ever go to Skinny for every information?
Know yourself, man. So where did I say now?
So what me go and do?
Alright. Me soon link you.
More, I have something to tell you too.
What that
I
now?
mean, no, because, come, sit down, man. I have something to tell you.
Tell me no, man.
I have something to tell you. You ever dip on ears? Sis, just hear me out now. Just hear me have to say. Hear me have to say. You see what I say? Yeah. I deal with a farm work program. You see what I say? I sign up for you like a farm work thing there, brother. You see? I dare and I pray to Father God and I pray for you to feel come true.
You're not easy, you know. First you ask about pill, now you try pill me. You got along here, man.
Who not try pill you with?
What kind of farm work program you could talk about? You have money for deal with farm work program. You know how much money that? I remember all plane ticket. You know how much money for plane ticket?
You know sis, but you are working and me not working. You know must can help out your brother. You know must can help me out. Me day are sick, you know. You must can help me out. You can't buy one big Panadol, give me. Nothing. There's nothing,
brother,
stuff.
me tell you a thing already. You just need to go buy Mass Joe and get a little leaf of life boil, you know. And sit there, you know. Me go talk to Skinny boy that me go make you get it feel.
You know, say from daddy gonna change.
No go so, you know. No go so.
Me go take your word, you know. You sure you can help me today or Friday, you must get paid. You must get paid, sis.
Me not just tell you a thing, brother. Me say me go talk to Skinny.
Alright.
Later, man.
Imagine, you're my sister, you can't help me. You have this man around your head. Can't help me. Can't help me. As a sister. I don't know what kind of sister you be. My God, I just pray for you answer, I pray for you get that farm work there. Chani, where you go?
Sun feel nice about my skin. Yeah. John, I'm ready an idea, you know. I eat an idea. Wonder, what about some chicken or what? Should I cook some food?
Yo! Yo! Which chicken you talk about? Chicken make you weak. You know where you man? Chicken make you weak. You have to eat like pork.
Pork?
You want to eat chicken every day, brother. Chicken don't do nothing for you through it make you weak.
That me used to, you know.
See it, man. That's why you're so soft.
So you can't afford pork?
What you ask me, say? Jay, so when you talk to me, bro, you have to talk to me with understanding. Today is Friday, you know. What do you mean if me can't afford pork? I'm a talk fact, watch his style. Me I show you how to be a man.
Yeah?
Yeah, cause like you know, grew up here.
Alright, let me
I show you his style, yeah? When you're there on skinny, you feel roll like a big man, brother, and stuff in the street. You can't go on like no soft ass, brother. No. That me I try show you, Yo, you come like you not learn, brother. Today Friday, you ask me if me can afford pork.
Skinny baby.
Yo, well, baby, my man, where you there? For man, you say I come link me. Eh?
Me a come, man.
Hurry up, man.
Alright.
Sure, man.
Baby, no bother with him, man.
I saw you deal with them for true.
True.
Badness
Yeah,
never
man.
stop.
Yeah.
Day and night.
True.
Right round the clock. Tick, 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 tick. Badness for true.
Respect, me G.
Yo, Jay,
Yeah.
let me teach you something about the street. You see, as a thugs out there, you have to be a man.
Real man.
Woman will walk over you.
Real thing, yo.
Woman will what?
Walk over you.
Woman will
allow
walk over you. You saw me deal with my catty.
Yes,
I
it.
saw you have to deal with them.
Real.
The moment you go on like, see, you hear him talk. Baby, what? Where you there? If money my bring come.
Yeah.
Later we are name pork. For true.
True.
Where I go with chicken. See if you ever mention a chicken for my plate. Problem, man. Pork make you
Big
strong.
meal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big, as a big man, you
As
have
a
to eat
big
big
man.
meal. You understand what I mean? Big meal like pork.
Yeah. True.
You understand?
Yeah, Skinny.
Where are they?
Forward, me give you one chat to my G.
They go on with me killer.
I pray.
So for true.
They are my father.
No,
I'm
joke
working.
killer, man. Yo, a good thing you all pass through, you know. You don't know, say me have some new thing I come off of the wharf. Brand new. Some AK. Some Thompson with some pan on it. When it knock, he goes, come!
Yes,
Come.
heavy, my father.
Like a missile. I saw them take out my father. So watch his style now. No? When you link for your boy them and tell them say the new thing them are coming from the ends. Is it? Next month someone
Tell
them.
you the truth, still know my father. Now I do anything. Nothing my boy them depend on.
Oh, you tell me some man, yo, me not like roll with some man who go on like them are soft in a bro. Me I tell you say the thing them are forward in. You go tell me say the man them.
No.
You know the man them want, bro.
Nothing they depend on my father. Yesterday,
Yo,
the
that's
dog
the-
them are reason. The dog
Yo.
them depend on my father.
What you mean, man? I be a killers the pines, man. What you talk about?
see.
Killers and fear for some Thompson.
Yo, man, them are put on them something like that.
Yeah, man, boy, put on. Alright, me watch news every day.
I don't like me can't force him.
I mean,
on
know
my father.
everybody name. Me know everybody name, yeah? And me know everybody face. I'm watch news every day. There's so much of them there on news, but them are go on a church too. Go on a church.
Don't offer that still. I think that I can link about
So they go out.
You know, say my uncle say you want to give her 1 page though, but you want to make a run.
They are still, man. How am I deal?
No, I say you want to see you. So, watch out. I tell him say you have to link it because you're different.
Yo, I tell her say thing them a ship in, bro.
Still depend that the argument. Them I tell her say dog them not depend that my father.
Them new, bro, brand new. Never make another pay.
Yeah, watch out. I don't promise you, but I see what I can do. Zane?
I just chat to them and make them know what I go.
Really?
Yeah. Remember, you know, them brand new, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, for sure. Every time you call me, you know, no money. Hey, girl, don't ramp with me, eh? You don't know the style. Yeah, call off man phone if you have money. Yo, Jay, forward now. Yeah, look on the every day she call on my phone. One sugar cane and no money for cho. Forward them, Jay.
Oh, what you did?
Me tell her this, man. So when you greet me, say, yo, me killer friend. Yo, me murderer friend. Yo, bad charge. Now come yo me. Practice become perfect. Some people here, yeah, yo me a road, them take man for some weak fence. You have to say, yo, killer. Yo, murderer friend. Yo, me bad charge. Now come yo me, dog.
You're going like saying I know what I mean. But anyway, different that. As some food more I'm gonna deal with the idea because you don't set man rock.
That one deal with man, I look for let me wait pan man. She take toll and my back sit down, you know.
Yeah, where she there?
Me kick him along the hill, make him a fly like kite. You know I think already. We no ramp and play with fall, we kick over fall. And box down fall. Badness for days. Badness in my DNA in the dog. You know his style already, for cho.
That's why I asked if you can show me way, man.
So now that me I try show you, but you move too slow and too weak.
Yo.
You have to hold all your fingers so more while. Like a real killer.
Yeah.
Like a real murderer.
Alright.
For sure. Sometimes you drop it all by your shoulder like a rifle you carry.
Yeah.
You understand? For sure.
Come like a badness college that you got.
See how forward. Not to look down there because we know what she feel like, you know? Yeah. Because you know a badness go already. Yeah, man. Killer now. Roll soft and weak fence because them thing there. Well, alright, watch her now. Your son will go so boom and lift up toward the AK them. Yeah. Or you carry toward the rifle them. Yo, go over there. Move and go over there, sir. You know you're a big man attack. What happened to you? Go over there, sir, man. So when we carry toward the rifle them, one twice spinners them two in our waist. Because you know the killer roll already. You see?
Killer.
Yeah.
Killer.
You know murderer them roll already. You see it? So Mama, come in our place. How much this? Yo, last week 11,000. Now 11,150. Which 150? Yo, let me tell you something, man. Tell your boss say you not work for free. I'm a killer friend will come running pan that and be a shot. You know them, man? Look pan him. You know him? Yo, look pan him, no man. You know him? You see them, man? Them man are real killer. Look pan him and them out, them rusty. Wall up the gunman and them, well rusty. You know how much dopey them man I make? How much dopey you make last night?
See your life stay though.
Much dopey you make last night? All that's for your pork.
Yeah, man, respect.
Yeah. How much dopey you make last night? Them man are murderer. You say Evelyn? Yo, what kind of lucky you have on shirt? Let me tell you something, man. You see your brother, I don't want you to wear no shirt with him name on there. Let me tell you.
No, man, I'm not lucky as in my brother.
Yo, stop ramp with the killer, no, man. You know, say enough ramp. Come give me a hug, man. You just come and pose up and give killer a hug. Give the killer a hug, man. I say you hug the killer. Hug up the killer and wind up on the killer. Make the killer friend know say your man a real murderer road. Yo, me so link you. Later me short you up. Zin, I say 40. My bad charge it. Go on home. So yo, me killer, watch you now. We are deal with the pork and make sure say it cook good enough.
Yeah, me killer.
You understand? How much money I get? Give me back. That's too much. What this?
So how this to buy?
Yo, you make up the rest.
What kind of style thing you do?
Yo, me so link you back there.
What this man? What the hell me for you if you buy 3 pounds of pork? How much for pork?
You see you, my sister? You see you, if you say me not see you?
I don't know.
If you say me not see you when I give skinny money. You think say me not see when I give skinny money? You think say me not see when I give skinny money? You want wicked, you know? Not tell me if you calm down. Not tell me if you calm down. You want wicked. Me see when I give skinny money. Me see when I give him all my money. You just have this man a run your head. Have this man a run your head and me sick. Eh? Me sick.
But bro, me don't tell you, I think, you know, I have to carry home certain amount of money.
Wait, you can stay so. Wait, you stay so. You can stay so, girl. You have one sister. I'm put my trust in you, my girl. You stay so. Wait, you can stay so. Eh? You could just help me out. Are you man that me and your blood will run through your veins. Your blood. Wait, you have to do me so.
I could have done no better.
What do you mean by you couldn't do no better? You could have do 100% more better.
You know I say when me come, I have to carry a certain amount of money.
Certain amount of money like you all right. You all right, sister. You all right, sister. You all right, sister. Eh? Everything. Everything.
My brother, nobody take it to heart, man. I one little pill, you know? One little pill. You go get him, man. Me tell you something, I go talk to Skinny. It's just that in that moment, then me could have talked to him. But you go get him.
It's alright, man, my sister. Everything good. You see what I say? Everything good, man. I take your word. Everything good.
That me not like with him, you know? You just take everything out. Just too complicated, man.
$9,500-$600 this side. I'm not back at grocery store. Bit some cash and Shan has seen it about me. Shan! Shan! Shan!
Yeah.
You know you may call. Come here.
Come on, me answer you.
And $9,500 may have give me fear.
What that mean?
Yeah, wash on.
Today Saturday, come you don't know what day today is.
Me know say today is Saturday. That's why me ask you for your money there.
But me not have no money. You know say me not have no money.
And you know say a market day today.
Today Saturday always market day, so
And you don't have no money.
come me not have no money.
Where money? Where Shan, where money?
But you know where money there already.
Oh, me fi know where money there. Tell me I keep up for your money, Shan. Where money?
Come
Give me
give
money.
you the money. Come me give you the money. And you
Come. Give me the money.
From if I find give me tell us me give you the money and you know.
I know say you want real big yamed though.
So how much are we here man still not getting out from it. The man love me.
And you know say you not gonna be here with him. You not gonna be here. You gonna remain as I yamed. You mean if you tell me say every week mommy send you money come here. You take the money and I give you a big waste mansion.
So you never give nobody no money yet? You never give nobody, you're going like you're innocent.
Me not give man money.
So what?
Me know you
Make me I know what I get from it. Well, the boy love me, I know what I get from him. I don't know where you I get from for your man and whatever, but me I get the love from him. I understand that. I understand so I not give you no money, but soon, him soon make and flip the money so I can get money to give you.
You just make me blood a boil. One more time if you sit down and talk to you. But man, when you talk to a man, collect kill money now. You just collect mommy money alone you can collect. As you collect mommy money, so you just pass on it to your waste man.
So you not collect mommy money to where you do it for your money?
See what me I go do it there, me I put it towards the house.
Well, you're a bigger one, me a smaller one, you control the money. When me get my money, I use your share for your money for me and you.
Me not share it between me and you, know, cause me and I am you know, you come like you just like how your clothes look. I see them so you come like I am.
Well, everybody have their role in a life. You can be straight, well, me I am it. Let me am for the boy.
You know. I'm going to allow you to be a yammed to him. So when me I make sure calm me and tell you so when he must send the money come.
You can't do that. You can't do that. You try to make sure you don't do nothing so me can call mommy too.
Yeah, you go call her and me go tell her say you want big piece of rent I am out here.
Come, relax.
I'm a big teddy bear sister. I love you, you know? I love you, but I just don't want you to make your boy take you for fool all the time, Shan. You can't always give and you not receive back nothing, Shan. I know say I receive benefits from him round the part that I even want to discuss with you right now, Shan. But I just need you to understand you can't take mommy hard working money I give to him all the time. Just stop now. When you look into what I say, Shan.
Alright, no problem. But I'm going to talk to him and see if he can change first. And then, if he not change, then I'm going to go.
If he not change, you know, you go. What you mean by if he not change? Me
So
know
you just want me to up upon if you mention?
me never say if he,
Sis,
sis, me not tell
you
her
have to
who.
understand sometime too. You have to understand something. We can't just jump upon it the way you want me to run from man to man. Just sometimes you have to understand.
Sean, me not tell her who to do it for who you're not to do it, Sean. Me just want you understand the point and the facts and me I tell you. We make the boy understand so you can't give him your money all the time and he not give you back none. You get me point?
Yes, I understand.
And stop skin up your face, yo. Me I talk to you, youth. Just understand. Stop for take me hard earning money and give it to you, youth, yo.
Me hear you.
And I hope you tell him. Because next week when I ask you for the money, I want you to tell me boss say you give boy money. Make sure you say
you're done now.
Yeah. I want fee money and fee your money. Just stop it, just understand something. See, I'm a big waste man, they wait till all man buck him. What's your first time I take for Yamid all the time? So kiki, and he not kiki him back. Watch me on him. That's the money I short figure out there market. What me I go do? No, so I have a great man, good on the road and see many things where upon him, you take it from him to him. Then again, Shana go Bex. What next week you have no money for
Sean.
I would have done all.
Sean.
Yo!
Yeah, baby.
Come here.
Whoa, look at her.
You alright?
Yeah, you come and you put on something around this or something.
Of course. You know I look good for you. You know some love you, man.
B, I know why you address me as no yo. You know say man a gangster, I want to so yeah talk to me sir.
What that mean?
What that mean? You know
Gangster business come. You don't know gangster business. Just ease yourself up.
Yeah, I like you go and move on, you know. Yo, I love you, you know.
You know some love you too.
Yeah, baby, I like that. Yeah. But for real, B, I don't want you to address me as yo. You feel? At least say yo, I'm a killer. Or yo, baby, you know you're the maddest thing. You know, or something nice.
No, I'm a night and shining now.
You see, you know if it's
You don't know
sweet,
bad man. No, you take up people's style from what they know.
Which people's style, man, the mind.
Some man.
Yeah. But B, on a level still, I want to talk to you about something serious now.
It's a serious and start one down.
Beans, when the payment come in, the next payment,
What do you mean by payment?
I have some things I want to take care of, you know.
But I give you all that money already, Joe. You
No,
know, so I don't have no more money.
Ask your mother, no man, I want you, man, just ask her.
I don't have no more money. I see you make.
Come on, man.
So you
know
make come
can't
across
convince
me.
it, no.
So you
You
make
can't
come-
watch what she is saying.
I'm
Can't
talk
watch
to
what
her
she
till
is
I say no already. I know me I get fine.
Yeah, because
Oh,
remember
yeah.
say we have the big planning and we can't work without the money, you know. So you see when you do your part, you help me out a big time and then me can help you out in return.
Alright.
Yeah.
Never talk to her.
Yeah, tell her, God, you
Can
can't
I
watch
have
it.
some more money for do surgery?
Yeah.
Let me see them a share.
But she now believe that woman. Come on,
What
man,
me?
you have to think
You
about
know me, you know.
Mm.
So when I talk to me, I just
Yeah.
call her out.
Oh, you see.
Nothing else.
I love you. You see?
That's why I'm gonna come and know someone get things wrong, yeah. Yes. Are you coming, you know? You don't know, see how easy though. You mashed me up last night, you know, and then I just gone about your business. Which part I go last night?
Yeah, you know the killer do it already. You know, say I'm skinny there apart. You know we do it already.
Everything I am skinny. From last time and from the other day, I just be skinny.
You know, say I'm afraid to show me the thing. If I go around him, I'm going to there.
So you need somebody to show you something, you twin?
I won't be, but you know, say I'm having links them and you want like connection. You know, can't bother if you start from scratch, you know.
I understand. Sometimes if you spend time with me and everything, you must go around and then
everything I go pay off in the long term, you know. Everything I go pay off in the long term.
You always
Just
say
believe
that.
no man.
You always say that.
Be if it's true this time. Yeah, and you see skinny. Him know what I do. Him a show me pre. Last night, come a man say 10 up he make last night. Babies, look, listen. I know say it seem like I don't know what me I do, you know. You see it, but I know what me I do, babes.
You need to all about me too. You can't all about skinny. Every minute of the day, tick of the clock, skinny.
No, bro. You know the thing go already. You see it, the man have the links them, right? The man know what I do. And me think say, there's someone there right now.
Well, if it's some...
Yeah, boy, you know some man a gangster in the street already. So we have to par with the gangster then.
Every minute, but gangster. I can't bother with this foolishness and gangster every minute.
Baby, so make you move, sir. Who you talk to? Who you raise your voice up on? Mine, you know. Come like you don't know who you are, David.
Sorry.
But I see it, there's someone. See, you look sweet. You know what I mean? I like when I have to rough you up and raise my voice to her. I say, see, you're cute. You look a cute face. Yeah, man, some I like when you do it, man, but don't do that again still. Because I never like rough you up, you know.
I like when you rough me, Peter.
Alright, that is it.
I'm coming to say, if you top take my money, give you. Because you not give me nothing back in return.
Be you know, I don't waste money. I invest in a business that I have in a book.
I know, but come to know that.
Yeah, boo.
But you can't take all that money, Dre. Sometimes you want.
Girl, sometimes we have to make little sacrifices. You know, the returns are 10 times greater than when you don't get it, B. So you don't have to worry about that, mama. Just believe, no man.
I believe in you, Dre.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, see that just like that. So no make come stress you. Yeah.
I'm coming to finish our start last night.
Yeah, come here.
B, just remember to lock your door back on you. And come into the market.
Where's our bathroom?
Yeah, man, I put the tomato and the refrigerator things in the fridge, man. No worries, go and do your thing, yeah?
Okay.
Now come into the market. Get tomato and get onion. Now me I put them in the fridge. Some food time.
You done put them in the fridge, babe?
I put them on a deal with them.
Yeah, come go ahead.
Yeah.
Alright, baby.
Yeah. So you know, come give me a hug.
I soon come, baby.
Come in, man.
Come in, mommy.
Look like you see a ghost.
Yeah, I see one ghost, of course, because it ghost when in I also me I witness my 2 year I see you not supposed to that year.
What do you mean by that?
What you up here do, brother?
What do you mean me up here? I'm going to look for my one.
You even have the audacity to in my house with your shoes. How about this for? You help by disinfectant up here?
How you talk, woman?
You only receive for up here, so you're not put nothing up here, so what's your problem?
Whole heap of big investment we have a deal with and them so come through that money for you.
I'm not tell you don't come back up on me
You
here.
can't stop me from come back up here. Hey girl, how you talk to
I want
You know
to-
someone
I
I can't.
You're a road boy.
want-
I don't see you talk to woman, charge.
What
You see me? I don't see you deal with woman. You know have your woman over there, so.
Relax.
Don't do it with
Relax.
woman.
You never hear anybody disrespect me, man.
No.
I know
calm
your
down.
house alone,
Settle
come. Mommy left this for the two of we, and two of we go share this. Hello, him come up here as a visitor and my visitor. See, you're a visitor there, and you wear about shoes. You're a man in a shoes too. Relax.
And me and him live here. You piece of our so-called man where you have your so.
Calm
He
down,
not fit
calm
come
down,
up here,
rude boy.
so
I don't see you
only
talk
take
to
out.
woman.
You know
He
you're
not
shut
fit
up.
nothing.
Yo, no,
Hello,
listen. Now, Peace Street, you all will live in the same place.
You
You
see
just
you
have to
to your
keep
bed
it calm,
picnic?
you know?
You see you?
Yo, hey.
Yo, calm down, the rude boy. Calm down. I don't like how you approach my wife. you know.
Hey, what? What do you mean
Yo.
by yo?
No,
Yo,
what you
what?
do when you do it, you know. No, you say.
Yo, calm down, man. Calm down. What you say name? Jay? Jay, easy no
What you
man.
mean, calm down?
Badness irrelevant.
Oh, you
You know what I
coming at
mean?
this? Oh, you coming
No,
at this?
you know me have to defend my woman same way. Me
So you
can't
don't
make
care
it
what
easy.
she said?
But listen, man.
Look here, me no need you fiction. How much time me tell you, just hear all your man come up here and deal with me in my own house.
Are you first, come?
I mean
She
first,
know
so
say
you
my
not no respect and him not no respect.
Come it and from where on the side hear you.
Me go call mommy cause me not go bother with this in my place.
Him not have to come back up here.
Me don't want
Him
to
not
up
have to
here.
come back up here.
Can't stop
Cause
me
in
from
a no
coming,
manners.
sir. You don't own right here, sir.
Bossy,
Y'all
calm
are
down.
coming
man.
here with gun
Remember,
finger.
sir.
You ta what you do?
Yo.
What you feel like?
Yo, be
What you
easy,
do?
easy.
What
You
you
me say no
prove?
easy, no easy.
What
You
is?
me say no second thing, no man, no easy,
What
no man.
is?
You me say no, man. Remember, so we been past badness long time. We grew past that bad man. We not feel too much violence. You know, make no sense. You get me? I say.
You know what? As a matter of fact, youngster in a chatty business and the bag of frack thing. Right now, baby.
Look here, this I get out of hand. This yeah, you need to leave. This I get out of hand. Leave me place now. You get from bad to us. You need to leave.
Like say you love, use your mouth.
Me say you need to leave.
Know what you do when you do it.
Leave one in your yard.
This
This I get from bad to us. You know no manners.
No,
You don't have no manners. Me don't want you to come back up here.
Let
Huh?
him.
Me don't want you to come back up here. You know?
Come on, baby.
Father, calm down.
You
man.
get too
Me
bright.
tell you already, you know. Where you gun finger from,
If I
man?
never your sister.
Calm down, no, man.
Me tell about the gun finger then. No. Man, me have to make it drop off in your want to you. Leave my place.
Tell you about the
I'm right.
Tell you about the boy, no be. Boy, no manners.
You see me get from out of hand now.
No, won't
Eh?
chain him. Go
I shan him a follow back at him. Wait till me call mommy later. You just wait. Me go see which part him go come back.
Be, don't be talking to them, go cook up a little food.
You know no manners. A little girl that with him, me I put her in her place and make him know say if he humble himself and know a good man when he see good man. Cause boy only a mad boy only good for name you out.
I say Joseph. They might look jive. Is everything yeah, more I farmer thing more and talk to you about still now. See me I say yo more than why you roll with me.
Me talk to Skinny about it.
You talk to Skinny about it.
Yeah, me, you know me can't let
You never serious about nothing else. That me not like it. You be forward more than I love you forward. You see?
Yeah, but you know, so me can't let you look at my man there. Man there out here and me can't let my man out here.
Me not care about if your man out here or whatsoever. This is a good opportunity for you and for me too.
Me have to talk to Skinny about it.
Remember say we alone, you know. Papa gone, you know.
Yeah, man, but you know me not interested in the farm work program sitting.
What you mean?
Hear the program. You hear that? You not understand it, you not even not think. You hear what they say program. Be sure you say somebody a program you.
You know, you see you know say you is an official idiot though.
Yeah.
You mean imagine me I tell you something for you elevator. No, hey, listen. I'm me here there as I talk. Now listen what I say.
Yeah.
Look, me I talk with into them man. Yo, don't go nowhere man.
Hey boy, yeah. Know what you do, what you do. You hear me say?
Yo,
Come
hear me
here.
I say. I'm me here talk, me here sister and
Alright.
brother. Hear me I say. Make him wait. Hear me I say. Make him wait.
Yeah.
You know say that girl a idiot though. He not learn, you know.
What you do out there, sir? Now you me a talk to. What you do out there, sir? Hey, me not flick him, man. Kick man for kick down this, you know. What you do out there, sir? What me tell about roadside? Eh? You a cruff? A cruff alone hang out pan roadside. You hear me tell you? Make me ever pass out there. How we are? What is? Where the pan roadside a drink? Eh? What is? Go in the yard. Go in the go in the yard.
Later, lucky.
Yo, me kick down you out of this. Go in the yard. Hey boy, know what you do when you do what you do, yeah? Take more man a cruff like your boy. Move and go. Cruff.
Make some nice soup later on. Alright. Get enough of them things, you know. Do what I need to do. Yeah. Oh. I wonder why one son of dude. really want the money there, you know. Really want the money there. Just I pray she get it from her, man.
Jay.
Yo, me down here so come in, man. Me
Sure,
down here
sure.
so.
Where you go at me killer friend?
There and me killer do it same way. You don't know we do
Stop
it
it,
already.
Sure.
Yeah.
Mother a friend. I wish body you bury her now.
What's that some fruit me there try to get her.
So you go on, man. So you go on with.
Well, you know I said I should me try work and to get some money. But her sister
True,
move
true.
away now. Where they go link them and a big thing going down there. You see if I never had Shan. The box and kick down nothing.
What you say?
Yeah.
So you mean to tell me say make it home and them gang in them house?
No, man, I ain't
Eh.
talking. Yo, you see if I assume my respect, Shan. There's a
No
big
style,
thing
man.
going down there.
No in style, man. But
Yeah.
you know me kill a friend, man. Me know you do your
Yeah, me
thing when you
kill
do
her.
your thing, man. You know.
You don't know
Yeah,
the
man.
thing,
Badness for days.
Night and
Sure,
day.
sure.
All day, every day.
Suffer sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Don't know how we do it
For
already.
sure.
Ah.
For real, man. But me killer.
Yeah.
You know say, coat me want go so for true, bro. You come link you for piece of food, you know. Yeah.
You know, say, Shan forget her money from her mother, but her sister move away.
So you know the money in the house, me killer.
Don't worry yourself, I go work on it. I go ask Shan to just link her people them because them have money, you know.
Yeah, cause you know me can't go court with me
that
empty
is
pocket,
it,
you know
that
his
is
style
it.
go. And me no want to go jail, you know, cause
Yeah,
jail no
understand.
make for dog.
No, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah,
And
can't
dogs them
allow
no
that.
rules, so you see me?
You understand?
So me just want a piece of food to go up on the courtyard.
Alright, now go
You see
work
me?
on it. No worry yourself, now go work on it for you.
Alright, me killer.
Yeah.
Me I link you back in a little bit, cause you know the court thing go already.
Alright.
So in a few minutes, now stay too long. Me I deal with sitting down the road and then me circle your back so for throw. You see it?
Alright.
Cause me have to know what me I do when me I do
Yeah.
what me I do. You
Yeah,
understand?
definitely.
Yeah, me killer. I'm so forward, Zane.
Don't know we do it already when we are do it.
When we are do it. For sure.
Alright. Alright, so if we go link Shannon now to get the money there, cause can't let them be general, you know. Can't let them be killer star. Any means necessary enough to go get the money there. Shan better know say she have to call her mother, you know. And I don't want all the one time give me no tough chat, cause she love chat. Just a run off her mouth here. See if I never want it. Not even I say nothing still. Them I go all see. Them I go all see at the end of the day. Just a matter of time. Let them go and stay. Play fool to catch wise. That them for know.
Sis, where are they from?
Where you there?
I'm not work.
You're not going to work?
No, today I'm day off.
Today I'm going to the afternoon.
I want to set you up some.
And that may I say, because I said too good for you, we sit down and reason and talk.
I said, well, what things are going on in my life? I mean, I really like what's going between me and your sister.
Too true, because we can make them between you, know?
So, sometimes I won't avoid some people and they always stay.
Okay, trouble there in a paradise, uncle. Trouble in a paradise, sis.
What the boy, Jay?
I don't know.
Look at me, but he might take up too much of skin in dirty ways. I'm not too like it. We're short, probably what you get. But just sit down now.
Short from my sister?
No,
Yeah.
take up badness. Just sit down now.
I not tell about what you and me are talking in my house, did they pick up for him?
So, I'm going to pick up for.
No, but for your sister, start showing me going fingers, sister, should I say, yo.
Okay, now they avoid him for true, but I'm a man still. Yeah, my sister knows nothing I go too good on it. Anything good on we have blood. Dre.
Not that true. My sis, as my dad tell her from one day, I really choose for you, but I just want to see you walking the right path. And you look nice and everything. And I just know why you take up some wrong bang in your life. You know that one day?
No, I understand, man.
Why you just take up a nice, decent man? You're working, you earn your little money, plus mommy I send money come give you. You know why you have your money and take it and give you every minute. You know that way there?
I understand.
Why you look into yourself, my sister? I'm in love you.
I'm not with you, Mrs. I'm going to tell me I go on all the time. You always did it for me.
I love you so much, my sister.
Okay, so you know me will go.
Yeah, pay for lunch.
What's up now?
Money again, money. You can't have money problems, so. My mommy this a call, you know? Yes, mommy. Mom. No, I'm in there. That thing now going live in your mommy. Shanda with me today or day after.
I go on, mommy. There. Everything alright.
Alright, alright, not be able to sell.
Yeah, I'm there. I work there. I go and bill mom.
Okay. So tell me something. What did you want with the money when we did spend on the last week? You use it to buy the food stuff them and so on and so on did all buy?
Yeah, mommy, they buy some food stuff, but the money never enough, so you know, say food stuff run out, you know.
Oh my gosh. I mean, I should say, please your way, so my daughter, trust me, I feel I have to work and I make ends meet. I make you money, but so you make it, so you go, but you don't know, so we have to pinch it, because we have to make it hard, alright.
Yeah, so mommy, what go on? So still so much money I say, no?
You know, so I have pinch one little thing, because you say I want to surprise you, I have a thing I want to send from good this weekend, something special. I say, 300,000 for you, buy up something cooking I always buy 2 bits of food, They can't put themselves together as young girls, because I don't want to. Don't ask nobody for nothing,
What you, mommy?
Of course, right. Mommy, I saw it for go.
I want to shirt on, alright.
Yes, mommy.
And if you're not hungry, I don't want no neighbor to know you're not hungry. Over here, so I work, and I pull me a week, so I want to know who up on the head. What I say?
Yes, mommy. Hold up on head. You hear that?
Yes, mommy. Yes,
you hear, Shan?
Hold up on the head.
Hold up your head, Shan.
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to send you the receipt. I want to get you to pick it up. I want to be safe. Not tell nobody so now go on Western Union.
No, mommy, you're mad. You know I'm not the 30.
Fresh thing.
Tell Shan.
Yes, I want to go pick up it, bank, go on up the bank, buy on the food, buy on the cocoa, and come back home.
You hear, Shan?
Yes, mommy.
Make sure they don't call me when they don't come back. They soon send on your receipt.
Yes, mommy.
Yes, ma'am.
I love when I know my daughter, I don't want the best soon, but I feel like I'm miserable. No, take what me I tell no say.
Yes, ma'am.
I never want to come over here so listen, but you don't know where I go.
Yes, mommy.
You understand?
Yes, mommy.
Yeah, man, so I love you, no talk to you, no soon, no spend on the back the money receipt. But remember, I'm saying I make nobody know no business.
Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy.
I will love you too, ma'am.
Yes, man. Love your girls and be safe.
Yes,
call me as soon as they get the egg on the bank.
Yes, mommy. Sound like somebody is at the door.
What should I
do that, Shan?
See through the window before you open the door.
You know Shan enough already.
Alright.
Oh, a Jav.
Jav.
Who that?
Jav.
Okay. Alright.
Ma, you know what I talk to Jav?
Let me say hello, no?
Jav, mommy, I talk to you.
I'll go on my mother-in-law.
What you say hello? What you do over here saying that evening?
Alright, man, just a come in from work and thing,
So we can't come to me that time,
No, I'm kind of empty-handed, but I go chef up some proper dinner this evening.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I prepare something proper for them, some curry shrimp with coconut juice and white rice sitting with that,
Not sound too bad, but they want you make sure say you take care of my daughter, then you make sure say you provide.
Tell him, Mom.
Most definitely, man, it is a must.
Alright, man, I know joke,
Alright, have a pleasant good evening, yeah? Repeat that? Okay. I love your daughter too, man. I don't do nothing for you right here. I go chef up your dinner now, so finish your small conversation with them, yeah?
I'm going to deal with that thing for them.
Alright.
We talk.
Alright, later, man. Love you.
Alright, bless up. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, now I deal with it on one thing. I see my babes.
Alright.
Oh, look at
You hear about money, you see your king, you get kinky. Eh? 300,000, you see your kinky. But Sean, I don't want you waste my money this time, man. Please,
no, man, let me let
please.
him go.
Please, me I beg you, do.
No, listen, man. You just have to come. You just preach to man like you're a preacher.
Me have to preach to you, because you know no sense.
You got Bible school?
Yes.
Relax,
Yeah, med. Me at I do have my sister, but that's why you do right here.
Yeah.
I know sister love your big sister love you, don't you? But you thick on me, nobody, you know.
I look in.
My big eye.
Alright then.
I'm surprised you.
You're so fun.
You know me, I'm friend. You know nice one? So make it so surprised, you see me?
Me think a job, cause of him one day I cook. Me say I would give him a lick.
Me I think a job, what if it be job?
I him one day I cook. I never da expect anything. Me say I come.
Could be job be, you know, say me when I kill her when I already know you talk
Yes,
man.
nobody
Yeah,
else.
me I tell you. Yeah, just like
Mom's door, I tell you.
what that?
But get money.
Oh, yes, see the baby, me I tell her, that's why I have to believe in the man, see it.
But the one came, no one spend.
Babe, don't watch her, man. I want to tell man she just going tight, so I
You want
want
watch her?
Yeah.
You see I'm one already.
I tell the boy.
And I trip to Sandals to me, yeah.
So I have to love you.
Of
But,
course.
see, but here, what? Love how you treat me special, you know. I really appreciate it, you know.
I suppose so.
Yeah, just like that.
Here, baby.
You just know if you treat me something I like it. Ever I do the thing right way.
Of course.
Yeah. Or yourself, baby, in due time. All of this will go pay off big too. Yeah. Yeah.
Brother, how much time if you tell us a top come on my yard? You know no shame. You know no shame.
Know what you do when you do it. And know what you say when you say it.
Now come back with your gun finger. Me not tell you stop come on my yard. You see Shanna here, you know man. Brother just stop come on my yard and you can't hear.
Last time I tell you. Know what you do when you do it. And know what you say when you say it.
I want game come.
Don't come with our drama, you know. Them thing a man
tell
don't
us
like.
if you talk, I call you yes man, you come here.
How you call waste man?
Come, let's see.
Me can't come here no.
Come here,
Me
but
keep
you
meet him out of gate. Meet him out there, so I don't want to see me here.
Me not tell job, so if you come out of gate, you know, you have to go out of gate to job.
You see if I never one thing, you see if I never
So
see your
make him come look
sister.
at my room.
You not here, you know, Shan. Shan, you not here. Listen to your bigger sister when she talk. You see, who can hear Shan must feel. You can't say me never want you, you know. Brother, come out of my house.
Here to the laundry.
Brother, come out, man.
Laundry. Relax.
I'm telling you, youth, come out, man. Move up, move. You see, who can hear must feel. Remember me tell you. Me tired to tell you so stop for make little waste man come up here and not hear, brother. But who can hear must feel, you know, that man tell you. Oh.
Yeah. Yo, where they go and me killer?
Yeah, I do it for killer.
Man, you me there come linking a father.
Yeah, I do it.
But me a come off from the killer, man.
So I think
Yo, me killer, you know, say. My police link I tell me, say, boy,
yeah.
next week. It go there now for sure, you know, but they must say my case. Renew, I go continue next week. So the killer, they must tell me, say, yo, you know, say next week they might hold on for me.
Yeah.
And put me on bail. $300,000 right now. I'm stressed out.
See,
Me
now
killer.
for walk with the food, man, because you know you think, man, we can't allow that.
Yo, me killer, me not know me. I get them food there now, you know, me killer. Right now, me have couple strap me they want to sell. Me can't get them to sell me killer.
Well, you know what I'm going to hear what? How much you say? I did money again.
300,000 me killer, man. Yeah, for sure.
You know what I say? Between me and you still, you know what I
Yeah.
say? Me or Shan say our mother go send her one piece of food. Yeah.
So, piece of food, when I mean piece of food, I mean like all $100 US.
About 300,000, man.
300,000 US,
Yeah.
or local.
Local, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
that not bad. I see my amount I need.
That me I say too.
So long. Yeah, I say 300,000.
Yeah.
So, so I fear that you can't just take it for an arm and you know, you get it.
You know, say she didn't want to go up on the hotel, they go have a good time.
Who go pan hotel? Yeah, go pan which hotel? I hear that. I waste people go waste money pan hotel killer. What you talk about? I'm
Yes.
telling me killer man. Waste people waste money pan hotel man. What you talk about me killer man? Which hotel you talk about? Yeah.
Yeah. You know, when me met Zid, you know, see right. Because not just a good time we have any money done.
Don't adapt me and try shape me a teach you sense me killer. No make no girl turn in a fool me killer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go on man. Enough money that you know me killer. I mean I want that for did my thing you know me killer. Cause man now go to prison you know. You want your killer go to prison?
Which prison, man?
Here what more you do for me, Zane?
Yeah.
More you find out when them a collect your money. You understand? And what time to. Cause we run a program, Zane?
Yeah.
Yeah, me killer.
Yeah. What you talk about, man?
Badness for days.
For
So
days,
for
day and night. All day, all night.
True. You know when we do it,
No,
we do
no,
it,
we do
and
it
we do it again. Yeah, me killer.
Yeah.
You see the little money you see in the bag and stuff? Me a take time pinch, you know, pinch me a pinch little. And me a pinch you girl little. Cause me know where you want the money for go do, you know, and you not get dollar for go give that your waste.
I chat too much. What
So
the
me a
first? Me a
pinch,
good on an
pinch.
auntie. I chat too much. Tell her
Up a yard me a go, me not waiting on you.
no problem.
I hope you don't go elaborate your mouth.
I chat too much, man.
When you're so dark. Wonder if you wear them Maggie shots, so. When you come on and get a while ago, I have to go take you and go pay light man now.
Give me that phone! Yo!
Yo, where the money? Where the money? Where the money?
What do you mean, which money?
Give me the money!
What's money?
Yo, girl, give me the money!
Yo!
What's money?
Give me the money now! Yo, pass the money now!
Give me the money!
Yo, give me the money now! Hey, girl!
Yo! Skinny, what you do?
Yo!
Yo, what you do?
We are calling you for.
Yo, when I say
Everyone, Joe, we are calling
you
you
can see
for.
now, bring that down.
Yo, watch it. Yeah, eat that, and you cast this now. Yo, come on, man.
Sir, I
Yo,
do that,
cool,
man.
yo. Come in, man. Hurry up and come out, man, before the police them come. Yo, you see if you ever do that again,
Do
dog.
what?
Yo, I want to tell
You
me
don't
killer.
tell me see you not can gun.
Oh, you mean? You ever seen a killer go up and robbery and a can of gun do? Yo,
Me can't.
no what you do when you do what you do, my youth. You can't call killer name on the scene so for chocho.
Man, John, you star. What me I go tell Shan say now?
Where say? Tell Shan say what?
You don't just kill her sister. What me?
You see me kill nobody? Boy, you're informer, you know, dog. Let me tell you this, man. Know what you do when you do what you do, you know. You hear me tell you? Know what you do for true, you know. Yo, me I go hold on pan the money till the morning. You hear me tell you?
Well, I'm paying which money?
Oh, you mean hold on pan which money? I'm a bust a shot in the head, boy. Eh? Hey, boy, don't go run, man, no, dog. You know a killer roll already, you know. A man, me come link you with the money and give you a piece out tight. Me give you $6,000. Cause you're informer in a boy call up my name, you know. Yeah, you see if never hear nobody a call me name pan them crime, yeah. Hey boy, you know what you're doing, you do for you, you know. You hear me tell you?
Come, God, help me. Whoa. Come back. You always talk to me, now you're just calling me. What are you going to tell me?